Well, actually, I sincerely think that to overcome the economical crisis, the only way is investing in research and development and in the technological content of the offer, industrial offer of above all European countries. I do think that research and innovation can be the only way we can get actually out from this period of crisis. And actually the strongest example we can get is from the United States. The first thing that they did was actually investing billions of dollars in research and development, and I sincerely think that we should actually do the same and bring our ideas and our capabilities in terms of research, development and innovation into our products. This is the only way to compete against the emerging countries. Research and development is actually the mission of our spin-off company. We are a spin-off company of Polytechnic of Bari, and the idea is to transfer 20 years of research results in the research in terms of in the area of non-destructive testing and experimental mechanics, above all thermal methods, and to try to industrialize all quite a wide variety of techniques and instruments that can be available but not still used in the industry. So the main idea of our company is technological transfer. So for us, research and development is a mission. It's something that we cannot actually be aware of. Making network, being part of networks, is another very important point. It's part of our vision, and we look forward for networks. We are actually in a consortia. For example, in order to try to internationalize our offer, and we are going recently we will go in the next few weeks, we will go in Brazil to try to open a new company with some Brazilian investors. But we couldn't do very much without a network of companies that actually help us where our skills are not strong enough to compete. We are a small company, by now we are 8 people, and without a strong network of partners that actually allow us to enlarge our offers, I think that we wouldn't be really successful in terms of market penetration and competition. So really for us, making networks is the only way. Being a small, really small, micro company, it's the only way we can actually be credible for big companies that are actually our main market. Which are the instrumentation for, well, in order to try to get more networks working? This very difficult question also because it's mainly cultural problem. We live in south of Italy, and the culture of collaboration here is still to be built, really. We found really many difficulties in finding partners, in finding credible and reliable partners, but not because of skills and expertise, because really full of companies are really able to make wonderful things. It's just the culture of collaboration, and they are always diffident at the beginning because they tend to think that you want to take some of their market over. The company with which we actually cooperate are enlarging their market, and we are doing the same. It's really making networks, increase critical mass, and increase credibility for a bigger company market, and it's actually again our main market. We are really involved in the aerospace market. It was quite a surprise. We were born just 3 years ago. We didn't think that we were able, being so small, to penetrate the aeronautical market so fast. By now, they are 50% of our market, and is increasing. And application of non-destructive, innovative non-destructive testing in the aerospace components and structural products is our main research and development area. We are also working in the railways. We are trying to work with a company to produce brakes for railways. And of course, being in the Puglia, part of our market is automotive. So we are actually investigating new techniques for non-destructive testing of welded joints for automotive industry. That's another big deal for us. Of course, university and private and public research centers, but also we have to try to convince companies that increasing research and development teams within small, medium and above all big industry is the key for success. In the last 30 years, it's my impression that above all in Italy, big companies decided to outsource part of their technological innovation. That was successful in short term because it was they reduced the cost, but it was really, really dramatic in the long term. And so we are experiencing now really some difficulties in restarting because we have to relearn how to make research and development. Cooperation and integration between public and private research center. In Italy, it's still a process that it's far away from success in the Anglo-Saxon, that is typical in the Anglo-Saxon country. But I see many improvements in the during this year of crisis, because the companies are actually realizing that research and development is really the only way to get out from the crisis. So again, there's a renewed interest in the cooperation in research and development. We are a small company. We are not working only in Puglia. We have quite a big market, also international. But of course, for our territory, it's very important that high-tech small company like spin-off company like ours interact with companies, because being the network, the main part of the companies, small enterprises, they don't have very often the strength and the capability and the economical possibility for research and development that is for bigger projects. So having high-tech small company helping the small and medium enterprise here in Puglia, it's very important. We are getting more and more success in networking with those companies, and we are bringing new technology and new possibilities in terms of non-destructive testing also here in Puglia.